Stephanie, the joy, love, and excitement of this weekend only goes to prove that today is not the start of something new. It's the continuation of something that started 10 years ago when two college-age kids innocently agreed to go to lunch. Sharing stories and buffalo chicken wraps one afternoon quickly became our weekly occurrence, and soon enough, it was our daily routine. After several years, we knew everything about each other and were practically best friends. We had shared our hopes, shared our dreams, we shared our aspirations and our values.
To love is not to possess, to own or imprison, nor to lose oneself in another. Love is to join and separate, to walk alone and together, to find a laughing freedom that lonely isolation does not permit. It is finally to be who we really are, no longer clinging in childish dependency, nor docilely living separate lives in silence. It is to be perfectly oneself, and perfectly join in permanent commitment to another and to one's inner self.
I could have never imagined in my wildest dreams a partner in crime as perfect as you. Stephanie, you get me. You know how I think. You treat my family as if they were your own. You embrace my culture, and you embrace my quirks.